Wow, I'm glad I thought of this. I'm almost done. I still can't believe what happened. Let's put on the ornaments. Oh, where the hell are they? What? Who grinched my Christmas? I found this fabric at the Dollarama for $4. Now, let me just find there it is, the pattern. Nice. Let's cut out the fabric. The felt is nice because it doesn't fray. This doily will look really nice here. Pin it down so it's not moving around. Cut it out. Get it in place. Now I just did the other one as well, and that was a lovely pattern. You're only limited by your imagination here. Cut that one out. So we got two on the go. So I pinned down the doily first, just with one simple stitch. Took out the pins, found the mate, and then just a simple stitch all the way around, being careful to get all the corners and all the rounded parts. Turn it inside out. Nice. Now we need a little loop so we can hang it on the tree. We'll add that. Now that was a bit difficult. So now we're going to actually add it on before we put the mate together on this next one. It's a better idea. Simple stitch again. Get it all right side out. That looks great. Put it on the tree. Looks so pretty. Homemade is always the best. Will you have happy holiday? Thanks for watching.